Welcome to part 2 of this tutorial. If you remember, in part 1 we solved the first side and the first layer. I recommend you have practiced that until you have got it down. Reason being, it just makes it easier when it comes to solving the cube. Now you see a piece like this, you're gonna turn this face down and look for a piece that does not have yellow in it, like this piece. You're gonna line it up with its corresponding color, like this is red and it lines up with red. So you're gonna use this algorithm. It's gonna be one of two algorithms. Okay. So here's the version where it needs to go to the left, right here. You're gonna use up inverted, left inverted, up inverted, left, up, front, up, front inverted, and you got that there. Now the one where it goes to the right is the exact opposite of that, so it's up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up inverted, right. Now hopefully if you have written down those algorithms, you should be able to solve the rest of the middle layer. Like that. Now you're going to have one of 4 scenarios. I luckily got the cross. If this were a tutorial, I would just go on without telling you, but since it is, I have to do it the boring way and tell you. So you're going to either have a cross, just this little yellow dot here, a yellow L, or a yellow line. Yeah, here, if you get the dot, use this algorithm. It does use these two algorithms. It does not matter in which particular order. Use the one that I just showed you with the L, and then this algorithm. Here, let me just get it to where, and if you have the line, you're gonna hold it vertically. Excuse me, horizontally versus vertically, because this will not work if you hold it vertically. And you're just going to use the same algorithm, because if you did the first out, you're going to use both of these algorithms if you just have the dot. It doesn't matter in which order. You can do the one that I told you, and then this one, which goes like this. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. And then you should have this cross, and then you're going to look for 2 that line up. Okay, so... Okay. Alright, hang on. Alright. So now if you find 2 where they line up across from each other, then all you're going to do is this. You're going to hold one in the front and one in the back and use this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted, up, right inverted. Now you should have 2 that line up next to each other. You're going to hold one in the right and one in the back. And you're going to use the same algorithm that you just used, but with one final up. Hang on, I already got it to where I need it to be, which I don't want. Alright, now you should have all the corners lined up. And if you should find one piece that is aligned. Doesn't necessarily have to be in the correct position, but I mean, like, flip the right way, but just in the correct spot. Now, if you don't have one, just do it from anywhere, and you should get one. And then you're going to use this algorithm. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. And you're just going to repeat that algorithm as many times until you see you have them all in the correct position. Not necessarily the correct way, but the correct position. Now all you got to do is flip these to the correct way. And this seems like you're screwing everything up, but trust me, it all comes together in the end. So it goes right inverted, down inverted, right, down, and you've already learned this, so you just keep using it until it gets up into the top. And don't just turn your cube, rotate the top till it comes, because otherwise this will not work. Then you just keep using right inverted, right down, and then you just move the top as many times as you need to, and you are done. You solved a Rubik's Cube. Congratulations if you're a first time Rubik's Cuber. Congratulations. I hope this tutorial helped a lot.